That's the reason you are coming to my house. You agree? You agree? I hope because you can do.
Greetings from northern Cyprus. This is Palm Beach in the city called Famagusta, and also known as Ghost Town. As you can see, the buildings there are uninhabited and right next to this wonderful beach that has golden sands. And it was actually a bit hard to get here, as most of the coast from the crossing point of Derynea was closed. So you need to get actually to the city, as this is the only open point without having to cross another checkpoint, because obviously there is a border in Derynea, both Greek, from the Greek part of Cyprus and the Turkish, and from the border to here it's around 6 kilometers, and this is how it looks like. It's very few people on the beach today, and you can see the buildings how they are and it is no entry zone there in the buildings. So I am then ready for a beach adventure here in Palm Beach. And yes, so this is the first beach adventure I have from northern Cyprus, and I hope you will enjoy this. And I think this will be the only one, as the other beach there was actually an entry point that I couldn't enter, but this is actually quite close to the central part of Famagusta. So yeah, then it's time for a beach adventure here. So let's go! The water looks amazing, right? And yes, today is 30th of December, and right now it's 12 o'clock exactly, and 19 degrees in the air, and probably around 19 in the sea also as well. So with this view of Famagusta and the Palm Beach, we are then diving in. It's amazing. It's brilliant. Fantastic day. So it is actually not the first time I'm in the Turkish part of Cyprus. I went to Nicosia in 2018 when I was staying in Paphos. So I had one-day trip to Nicosia. But now this is another checkpoint that there is. And to Derynea, which is the cross point and the border, it is only 10 kilometers from Ayia Napa, and there are direct buses 501 and 502 that will take you there. So yeah, I must admit it was a bit strange feeling, as from the border to Famagusta, big area of land was closed. You cannot enter, and that is since the 1974, where Cyprus got divided into two parts, the Greek part and the Turkish part. So yeah, check out Famagusta and Palm Beach, the ghost town. And yeah, very few tourists on this part compared to the Greek part. But yeah, I just can't believe this is the next last day of the year, 30th of December, beautiful sunny Saturday, and I'm exploring Famagusta. And the city is also called a bit different in Turkish. I think it's called Gazimağusa. Gazimağusa is the Turkish word. So with that, I say that's a wrap. Greetings from the northern part of Cyprus, in Famagusta, Gazimağusa, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!